Namaste. My name is Sequoia Henning, and welcome to this nervous system reset, giving you an opportunity to relax the body, the mind, and reset your nervous system. As we merge through various practices, including presence, breathing, feeling, and sounding. So if you are ready, let's begin. Get super comfortable. You can sit upright or you can lie down. There is not one way you have to be. But let's begin within, closing the eyes. And if you're comfortable, if you're seated upright, you can bring the thumb and index finger together. This is called a mudra, which brings the energy back into the body. So you can have it palms up or palms down. Even you use this mudra if you are lying down, if you feel. If not, listen to what your body is wanting you to do to relax. Let's take some deep breaths in as we close the eyes. And anything that feels heavy, overwhelming, or unwanted, breathe into it and release it with an audible sigh. Let go of the cares of the world. Repeat it again. This time, retain the breath for a couple of seconds at the top, and then allow a more audible sigh. A couple more times and focus on what you're releasing. May it be the job, the person, the situation, whatever. Breathe into it, and in that retention, decide what you're releasing and feel it melting out with that sound. Last time, lift the shoulders on the inhale. So let us begin by noticing how we feel now. A very somatic approach of just going inwards to just notice. Remove any feeling of wanting to judge or analyze. If that comes up for you, just imagine it like clouds passing by. So begin to notice as you scan from the head all the way down to the toes and back up. What do you notice? Starting with the head, relaxing the head, noticing the face muscles, relaxing the face muscles, noticing the shoulders. And when I mention these areas, move them and see if that assists in helping them relax if you feel. Relaxing the shoulders, the arms, and the hands. Relaxing the arms and the hands. The chest. Relaxing the chest. Relaxing the abdomen. Inviting each breath to be more relaxed than the one before. The spine, the top, middle, and back of the spine, the lower spine. relaxing the totality of the spine, feeling the whole spine relax. The hips, relaxing the hips. The thighs, feel the thighs relaxing. The knees, feel the knees relaxing. The calf muscles are relaxed. The feet and the toes, the feet and the toes are relaxed. And the totality of your body is relaxed. The totality of your body is relaxed. Now, as we go into this journey further, I invite you to set an intention. Why did you come to this session, and what is your intention? Is it to relax? Is it to let go of this? Is it to bring more positivity? Take a couple of deep breaths. As you open the heart, just let everything go in this full, heartfelt intention. Be in the forefront of your mind and heart. Now imagine that intention already manifested. And let's birth it from the inside out. So begin by simply humming. When we do the humming, it creates oxytocin in the body, and it vibrates the trillions of cells. So let's feel this feeling of this intention already manifested. And send it out into our cells like beams of light. Listening to your own breath rhythm, we'll do it a few times. Breathing in. Inviting each breath to be longer and more relaxed. The one before that. One last time. And take a couple of present breaths of just noticing the changes from this practice. Keeping the intention in mind, I invite us to birth this feeling from the inside to the outside. As I play this tampura, I invite you to use the sound Om, Ah, U, to penetrate through the body, going as low as you can, and ending with a hum that's tickling the crown of your head. And without following my voice, listen to your own rhythm. And allow that intention to be birthed from the inside out with full feeling. When you're ready, let's begin. Last one. And just become present to the changes. Witness what is happening, the state of the mind, and in the body. And in this state, I invite you to become aware of your breathing. And place one hand on the abdomen. You can place the other hand on the chest if you wish. And we'll begin with some deep belly breaths. So we're breathing in, and the lower hand on the abdomen is expanding out. Then it expands our rib cage and it lifts up to the heart. Our lips are closed, and we exhale from the top down. And as we begin this breath, I invite you to count how many seconds does it take you to fill up your lungs? And are you able to double that on the exhale? Just be curious. If you can, okay. If you cannot, that's okay too. Having compassion with oneself and meeting yourself with what you're able to do right now. So begin breathing into the abdomen, the belly expands. Relax the shoulders, relax the face muscles, and continue at your own rhythm. Breathing in, mouth is closed. Become curious if you can pause after the in-breath for even a second, and after the out-breath. Begin to watch the journey of the breath move through you and give you life. The breath is just happening, and you become a witness to what is. You can participate or not. It's still happening. Notice where you can let go a little bit more in your body as you allow this breath to move through you. Notice the changes that are arising. Complete the breath that you're on, and then bring your hands down. Keep your awareness inwards and just observe and reflect the cause and effect of the practices. Let us shift our awareness now to the attitude of gratitude. Let's take some deep breaths into whatever it is that you're grateful for. Maybe you want to place your hands in your heart to bring more awareness there, or not. And just sink into that feeling of gratitude. Whatever is alive for you. Grateful for the water, for the clean food, for the trees, for your animals, for your family, for the sun. Now slowly let that go and return back to that intention. What intention you set at the beginning. Again, feel it, see it already manifested. And let us conclude this practice by sending out the cultivation of those practices together with 3 ah sounds. It's also the sound of the heart. So think about a person or a place, or maybe the whole earth itself. You want to share this beauty to, this practice. practice of light. Breathing in. Thank you, my friends, for joining me today. I hope you have felt the nervous system reset by these simple practices, and you can take it into your day, before bed, upon waking, using your voice, becoming present, humming, sounding, to bring forth more harmony and healing to your body, mind, and spirit. Many blessings. Namaste.